Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that I have barely posted. The reason why is because if you can't hear it in my voice, I am super duper sick. Like, the months of October and November have really kicked my ass. Like, I've gotten sick twice in a span of 3 weeks. Like, I don't know what's up, but yes, I am back today with another video. This is gonna be a small business vlog, so I'm gonna bring you along with me while I pack orders, while I ship orders and stuff like that. I actually got 2 orders last night from my body butter business, because not only am I a lash tech and I'm running that business, but I also run an online website where I sell the body butters, the body scrubs that I create myself all by hand. There's soap there. You can also buy lip gloss and waist erasers. So I am going to pack some orders and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I know that I don't look the best, but I'm a real person and it is relatable to not look amazing every single day. So I'm not gonna let this stop me from filming a video. You can learn a lot from this. So yeah, let's pack some orders, baby. So the first thing that I'm going to do is look at my orders and see what the client ordered. So I have the Shopify app on my phone. If you have a website online, make sure that you download everything on your phone, because nowadays, like, it's just easier. Jacqueline Lahara ordered 2 things. Let's see. Her first order is, she ordered the Intense Hydration Whipped Body Butter and the Nurturing Lash and Brow Serum. You wanna get your lashes slayed, honey, huh? She also ordered the waist eraser in medium, so I'm going to go and grab that. I literally have everything ready on top of my lash bed. So these are the products that she ordered. She ordered a waist trainer, like I said, the Intense Hydration Whipped Body Butter. I absolutely love this body butter. It's gonna leave her body feeling extremely soft for literally like 24 hours. I absolutely love it, especially for the winter month, the colder months when your skin gets super dry. This is gonna have your skin hydrated, it's gonna have your skin dewy, and your skin is gonna feel very, very healthy. If you suffer from eczema or psoriasis or extreme cracked skin, I highly recommend this body butter. And then in here, she ordered the hair growth serum, which you can use on your lashes and on your brows. 100% pure natural castor oil in this, which you know castor oil is amazing for hair growth. And then the waist eraser, which this is my holy grail. I have been rocking this style of waist erasers for years. I highly recommend it if you need support at the gym with your back, if you want to make that area sweat more, you want to lose more weight on your sides, on your abdomen, and on your back. You need that. And then here are some of my packing materials and some more packing materials. So let me go ahead and package these orders, baby. So I'm gonna use this box to package her body butter and her serum. I wish that I had a smaller box, but I don't, and I really need to buy boxes, y'all. I'm actually recycling this box right here. So the first thing that I like to do is put some tissue paper in the box. Like that. Since we have the pink tissue paper, I'll put the white confetti. Not too much, nothing too crazy. Right. I'm actually gonna wrap the products in this paper because that's important. take a sticker and I'm gonna put it right here. That looks cute. And I'm also gonna give her a free gift, which is going to be a lip gloss. Let me go grab that. So this is what the order looks like. I have my thank you card that includes a thank you code on there, and then I have my business card on there as well. Then I have her exfoliating body scrub, and then I have her body butter and her lash and brow serum. So everything is in there. Look at how cute the package looks, y'all. God, it's a rainy day in New England, you guys. Delivering these packages. I could buy these shipping labels on I can buy these labels on my Shopify, but I suck like with the, and I have a scale and everything, and every time I can't get it right.
How do you suck at putting in information?
Cause I don't know the measurements of the box.
If it's stuff like that, just put like 5 inches. I don't know, you don't have to worry about that shit.
But I don't want like the package to be delivered and then them have to pay like 50 cents or something.
If it's like a big box that you're mailing out, you gotta put the dimensions.
But if it's something small like that,
you can put whatever. You can put 8 inches. You can.
Okay.
As long as it doesn't go over 13.
Okay, it's never 13. Bigger than this.
Yeah, so you can just put whatever.
I gotta get it together. On this one, I wrote something wrong and I scribbled it. Is it that okay or no?
Oh, you ruined it.
I know. It's okay? Okay.
How we doing?
I'm doing good, my man.
What we got?
Yeah. And I have a label of a QR code on my phone.
All right, y'all. So I just delivered the packages. I left the post office. I'm outside of the bank. I gave my mom a ride to the bank, and now I'm going to take my little receipt and I'm going to add the tracking number for the packages that I just shipped on the Shopify app, so my customer can get her tracking information. And I just love doing this from the comfort of my phone. I love running my business from my phone. And I'm just doing that right now, you guys. So I know that I've had a super long day and I haven't really spoken to you guys that consistently, but since this is a small business slash lash tech vlog, I want to show you guys a package that I got from Paris Lash Academy. This is just a re-up of lashes and stuff that I need. You know, the holidays are right around the corner, so we can't slack with our necessities. So I just got a bunch of pro-made lashes, and I got them in like a bunch of amazing sizes. Like these are 9Cs. C is my favorite curl, and then these are the 8D volume fans. They're pro-mades, like I said. I got some more 9Cs. I got some 10Cs. These are like for inner corners and stuff. I got some 12Cs. I got some 11Cs, my favorite. And I got some 13Cs. And I also got some more 12Cs. I guess this must be a free gift that they sent me, which is a lash holder. I don't really need this, but I appreciate the gift. This is also a gift that they sent me, which is like the pad to put the pomades on. And I got the PLA henna, and I just got it in one tone because I want to try it out before I buy the entire collection. And yeah, you guys, this is another gift. So this is all that I got in my Paris Lash Academy. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm about to paint my nails right now because tomorrow I have esthetician school all day long, and you guys know you have to have perfect nails for class. So I'm about to paint my nails with these two nail polishes. I'm actually going to be painting it this gray color right here. But yeah, that is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this type of content, make sure to let me know in the comments below. I absolutely love sharing business videos with you. You guys can learn from me and I can learn from you. So if you enjoy this, like I said, make sure to let me know in the comments below so I can keep them coming. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new here, and the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. Until the next one, you guys, thank you for watching.